Hello everyone, today I am talking about the so and neither, our new topic. Okay, let's go. So and neither, the easiest way to say yo también in Spanish is me too, and the easiest way to say yo tampoco is me neither. However, expressions with the words son and neither are also used to express this. Yes? Okay, let's go. With the verb to be, the structure is so or neither plus the verb to be plus the subject. For example, I'm tired, so I am. With the negative sentence, I'm not tired, neither I am. With present, with verbs in the present tense is, the structure is the same, so or neither plus do plus the subject. For example, I draw, so do I. In negative, I don't draw. The answer, neither do I. Right now, present perfect. With the verbs in the present perfect, we use the same structure. So or neither plus have plus subject. For example, I've done the job. So have I. In the negative sentence is I haven't finished the job. Neither have I. Okay, with future, with the verbs in the future, we said so neither plus will plus the subject. For example, I will travel in Europe. So we are. On the negative sentence, we said I won't get a job. In negative answer is neither will I. Okay? In the past, with the verbs in the past, we have the same structure. So neither plus did plus the subject. Okay, for example, I stayed all night. So did I. The last one is with negative sentence. I didn't or I did not study yesterday. Neither did I. Okay, it's all for today, and I hope this video has helped you understand our topic. Thank you so much. See you later.